The Association of Land Development Engineers, in partnership with 12D Model, have developed a self-paced online training course tailored specifically to the land development industry in Victoria. My name's Cameron Lowe from 12D Model, and in this video I'll be showing you what's included in the course and how it'll keep you up to date with current industry best practices.
Firstly, the new ALDE Introduction to Land Development Design course will be available on the Self-Paced Online Training, or SPOT, platform with the Civil and Surveying Institute. So that's where we begin today with what your training dashboard will look like once you've signed up to the ALDE course.
As a vision statement, this ALDE course has been set up to streamline the process of educating land development engineers as to the procedures, standards and requirements of a typical subdivision project, as well as provide them the most up-to-date 12D model tools so that they can efficiently complete a subdivision design.
The course is made up of three main parts. Unit 1 is Introduction to Land Development Design. This unit contains resources which explain the role of those elements critical to land development projects, such as key input documents, reports, and standards, and has information on the typical processes and procedures which are necessary as part of the subdivision design. Trainees will receive an Introduction to Land Development Design document, which can be referred to throughout the course and throughout their real-world projects too. Following on from the theoretical understanding provided in Unit 1, the use of 12D model is then shown for the design of the road and finished surface in Unit 2 and the design of the stormwater network in Unit 3.
Now, included with registration in this course, all trainees receive a 12D model training license, which has been tailored for use with this course, which will be active for 1 year. This means that when going through the training course content, if you come from a company with a limited number of 12D model licenses, those licenses will not be taken up by engineers completing the course.
To provide a little more insight into what the training content looks like, we'll head into Unit 2 for the design of the road and finished surface. Now, all SPOT courses are broken up into what we call chapters and lessons, with the chapters in this Unit 2 being survey preparation, super alignment design, the MTF, and so on. Within each chapter, say we go into the MTF chapter, you can see there are multiple lessons covering various topics. Now, spread across the 3 units, there are over 100 lessons in the course, so it's a very comprehensive course, and each lesson contains a pre-recorded video that typically goes for around 15 to 20 minutes, which dives into that specific topic. If we go into one of these 12D model lessons, let's say the Apply MTF lesson, if I just play the video here, you'll see there's a quick intro, much like in this video, but I'll then disappear and we begin the lesson in 12D. At certain intervals, when I feel the need to explain something in a little more detail, that happens pretty quickly in this lesson, as you can see, I'll pop up and I'll give some additional context. And we do this just to improve engagement and break up the videos into more manageable and memorable sections. But then you can see I'll disappear again and we'll continue on.
Now, we know that not everyone is going to complete the course by completing each lesson in the order we've specified. So we've also enabled the ability to progress through in any order you'd like by being able to download a data set at the beginning of any lesson. So maybe you're tackling a certain task in a project of yours at your workplace, then you can not only watch the video, but you can also have a relevant data set which you can use to follow along and reinforce those skills in 12D.
Once you've completed the video, each lesson also comes with its own knowledge check quiz, which is at the bottom of the page here that we can open. And we'll start a new attempt. And we then get some multi-choice and true-false questions to complete. Now, these quizzes aren't really meant as an assessment as such. You can attempt them as many times as you like, and they're really just there to reinforce the main learning outcomes from each of the lessons. To demonstrate this, if we do get a question wrong, You can then click on the screen and the lesson will pop up, beginning at where that question was answered in the lesson. So as I said, we're really not trying to trick you here. Just ensure you've picked up the main concepts from the lessons. So once you've had the question answered, you can then return to the quiz and continue on with the quiz. And it's the completion of all these quizzes that unlock your certificate of completion for the course.
So thanks for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the ALDE and 12D model Introduction to Land Development Design course.